Quick video on how to remove the heatsink and change thermal paste on a Dell Optiplex 9020 small form factor PC. I find to remove the cover, it helps if you put a little pressure right here in the front, lift on the latch, and then pull up. Mostly because these can bind sometimes. From there, heatsink's pretty easy to get to. Now, you don't necessarily have to remove the shroud, but it does make it easier for servicing. You'll pull these two handles away from the heatsink and then lift up, and then down in there you'll see the fan wire, a little locking tab that you have to push on to release it when you lift it up, a little clip thingy there, and then from there 4 screws, and there's your heatsink. There's the CPU there. If you got loose, crusty stuff like that, best to remove the CPU and dump them in a trash bin or something before wiping it off. Obviously wipe it off away from the PC so you're not getting the crusty paste in the socket. But once you're done cleaning the surfaces up and applying new thermal paste with whatever crazy way you want to do it, reinstall the heatsink. Obviously make sure the wire is pointing towards the connector on the motherboard. And take that, plug it in. Tight squeeze. There we go. Fan shroud, reattach that. Down there, the 4-pin 12-volt wires might get in the way, so you might have to push them out off to the side. Once that clicks into place, should be good to put the cover back on, and should be good to go. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.